Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog guys we have a new camera here. Yes, we have the new camera from Fujifilm. The Fujifilm X-T50. Ito siya guys. Fujifilm X-T50. Yan, we received not only just the body with the lens, of course. The lens is XF16 50 f2.8 and 4.8 um, weather resistance lens. So again, let's talk about this Fuji X-T50 and let's check the body, unbox, what's inside of this kit of this camera and the specs of the Fujifilm X-T50. But before we're gonna unbox, let's check the specs on the camera. First, this is already 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans-CMOS 5 HR sensor. HR meaning high resolution. This is for high resolution, and there's HS, which is high speed. But this is on the category which is high resolution. So now they have a two sensor on the Fujifilm lineup, HS and HR. HR meaning resolution and HS meaning for speed. Again, X processor 5, which is a newer processor. You have new sensor and new processor. And the good thing of this camera is you have already dedicated switch or button or mode for your film simulation. And also the film simulation, you have already 20 film simulation on this camera. Then you have 7-stop in body stabilization and 4K 60p 4K 60 and 6.2 30p 422 bit for video. So AI assist and subject detection is already on this camera. So guys, without further ado, let's start unbox and check the camera. And so let's unbox this XT50. Again guys, it comes with 3 colors: silver, black, and charcoal gray. So this one is charcoal gray, charcoal silver, sorry. Charcoal charcoal silver. So yeah, silver, gray, silver, black, and charcoal gray. So this is the silver box. Of course, you have your warranty and I don't know what's on. The strap, the Fujifilm strap is already here. Okay, the lens. So this is the lens, the 1650, of course, with the hood. You have your battery. Of course, the battery. Yeah, this is the battery, the W126. So still they use the old series battery. And of course, this is the lens. So charger. No charger. No charger. Okay. So you have USB-C, like a USB-C dongle. I think this is for microphone. And USB-C to USB for charging. So you don't have the charging port. So guys, let's check the Fujifilm X-T50. This, oh, I like. So this is the latest innovation of the Fuji, which is uh the film simulation. It's already they put in a button. Yeah, you have a mode dialed Fuji film simulation. So instead you go for the menu, you can go direct from the mode dial. So this is the Fujifilm X-T50. Wow. I like the design, guys. I like the color. I like the color of this one. Maybe I'm gonna take this one. I have the Fuji X-T10. So let's try to take some sample photo and video one day on this camera. We have a demo. So yun, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Fujifilm X-T50, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Fuji product is already in our website. Yan. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you, Mosi. Mabuhay.